Today we will learn how to measure resistance using a multimeter. What we need is a multimeter having the capability to measure resistance and some resistances. First of all, on the multimeter, take the resistance and connect it to your probes. That's it. You can see it's approximately, it's 100% 10 kilo ohms. The selector is selected with the 200 kilos range is showing approximately 10 kilo ohms. The first resistor is a 10 kilo ohm one. You can see it by the color running. See it here as well. I don't have a good camera. So that's the. Now we're taking this. The second resistance, connecting it here, and it's 0.02, so we change we lower the resistance value and measure it again. It's 220, around 220 ohms. Actually it is a 220 ohm resistor. Check it out. Yeah, it is showing 225 ohms, so approximately 220 ohms. That's it.